Hey guys, Alpine Companies on this garage restoration. You can see where this is starting to fail inside. These had, beam pockets at one time, which you would call a beam pocket with brick in between. Like this side over here. That's some of the first things to go. Those brick up top, they get wet and frozen and bust out. So this whole side is just all busted and rotted out. And you can see this corner, see this window. Let's just let this whole side sink. You can see this ledger board up here. So, I come up with a repair plan here. Start restoration of this. You can follow along, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos. It's Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.